What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are completely new, hello, I am sincerely Niko, and in today's video we're going to be doing the EXO Squad on Instagram picks my makeup. So if you guys are not a part of my Instagram EXO Squad fam, please do so by clicking the link below where it says social media. All my social medias are linked below. So go join me on Instagram at x0niko, and maybe next time you guys can pick what I put on for you guys in this video. So with that being said, don't leave here and go over there just yet. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and be a part of the EXO Squad, where it's lit on this side of YouTube. Really right. Also, make sure you guys turn on that post notification bell. And last but not least, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up because you know it's going to be lit. You heard it, lit. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right on into this video. So, I'm putting both hands over my I'm the tip of my tongue. I think I love you. I think face is moisturized and cleansed. That's it. Normally I come on with brows and primer already done and just jump right on into it. But you guys picked these products out, and I kind of left some products left for myself because I already have Holy Grails and I don't have any other products to kind of compete with that. So I just kind of kept it to the products that I can compete with. Real easy and simple, and let you guys pick which ones you want to see in today's video. So on my IG stories, I put two particular products side by side and a poll, and also posted a picture so you guys can kind of see what the products are and let you guys pick, of course. So for primer, I put the Wet n Wild Matte Primer versus the Hangover Primer from Too Faced. And by a huge landslide, the Too Faced Primer won by 86%. You guys want to see me put on this hydrating primer on my oily AF skin, so I think I'm going to start using this primer more often because it's really tacky and I like the feel of it, of course. I never really kind of gravitate towards a nourishing primer, but she's really good. The next product you guys wanted to see me put on in today's video was the highlighters, and they're liquid highlighters first and foremost. So I have the Makeup Forever. This is the Ultra HD Soft Light in 50, and then I also have the Makeup Revolution's liquid highlighters that are supposed to be kind of a dupe of the Cover FX liquid highlighters, and I have the shade Luster Gold and Bronze Gold, and by 57%, which is a real close fight, the Makeup Revolution products won. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these drops right on my skin. I'm gonna take the Bronze Gold, place them where I normally oh my goodness. And then I'm going to take my beauty sponge, my Flower Beauty Sponge, and I'm just going to go ahead and pat that in. I look like the Tin Man from Wizard of Oz. Alright guys, so the next product you guys wanted to see was brows, of course. You guys, I paired up the Benefit Brow products versus the ABH Dip Brow, and another close landslide. 52% of you guys wanted to see the ABH applied to my brows. So I have the shade Ebony, and of course it's kind of new. I kind of dipped into it to use it for a brown smoky eye. So I'm going to go ahead and pop that right on the brows. Alright guys, so I'm back. The eyes are primed and concealed a little bit. And we're going to move right on into eyeshadow. I put up the Dosa Colors. This is the Blushing Berries palette versus the ColourPop Perception palette by Makeup Shayla, and 69% said y'all wanted to see another look with the Perception palette. So here we go. Look number 3 with the Perception palette. Let's get her started. I don't know where to start. I think I know what I want to do. So I'm going to take this fluffy dome brush from BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to start off with the color Culture out of the palette. And I'm just going to use that to set and create a transition shade. And then I'm going to dip right on into Revenge with a dome brush and just build up that crease. Taking that same brush from earlier, just blending it out. Grabbing a pencil brush, this is the Morphe M321 brush. I'm going to take the color Played Out, and I'm just going to kind of like draw out the crease. Taking that taper blending brush from earlier with a little bit of revenge, just blending the crease out so that everything looks seamless. Grabbing some concealer, I'm going to go ahead and cut out the crease. Taking my Luxie flat shader brush and a little bit of the Olisi setting spray, I'm going to go ahead and wet my brush a little bit. Take the shade called Strut and Slay. And I'm just going to pop that on the inner and outer 1/3. Then grabbing the shade Unbothered, popping that on the center. So I'm gonna go ahead and hop off camera, do the other eye, and I'll be right. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and line my eye. I'm going to take the Kat Von D liquid liner. Again, I did not put this up for a choice to pick between multiple brands because I love Kat Von D liner, truth be told. Alright guys, so the next item I'm going to be putting on is foundation. I paired up and put against the Cover FX Power Play Foundation versus the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. Neither one of these foundations have been reviewed on my channel, so it's a perfect time to put her on for you guys. So you guys chose the Natural Radiant Foundation by 58%, so I'm gonna go ahead and slap this bad boy on. I have them in two shades. I have New Caledonia and Nimbia. I don't know if I'm not pronouncing it right, but one is more of a neutral yellow and the other one is more of a neutral red undertone. You guys know I struggle so much trying to find the perfect undertone because I have a presence of both. I honestly feel like I'm just smack on dead in the middle neutral and I have both presents. But I'm more yellow in the center and I'm more red on the outer perimeter. But for the sake of this foundation and sake of this video, I'm going to go in with New Caledonia. Full coverage, honey. This is, oh my god. Oh my god. This is full coverage. I am living, breathing, and eating this, honey. Yes. Alright, so foundation is on. I'm going to go ahead and conceal. Didn't really pair anything against these two because you guys know I love it to death. This is the Wet n Wild Concealer in Dark Cocoa and Medium Dark Tan. You guys know, tried and true. Fight me about it, but don't expect to win because I'm always going to use this concealer. Alright guys, so concealer is already laid down. For cream contour, I allowed you guys to pick between the ABH cream contour kits versus the Makeup Forever cream contour kit, and you guys wanted to see me put on the ABH by 63%. You guys want me to put this nastiness back on my face again after I told you guys it was expired? Y'all trifling. But I'm gonna do anything for views. So I'm going to take the ABH Dark Kit, or a Deep Kit, and I'm going to take the shade Karab, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that onto the skin. Alright guys, so the highlighting contour is on, and my mug is slightly stained with this foundation. I'm living for this new NARS foundation, but nevertheless, you guys wanted to see me compare or compete these two particular powders, and I put the Fit Me powder versus the Fiona Style powder, which was at Ulta, but no longer at Ulta. And you can get this at Ulta and also at your drugstore. But anyways, long story short, you guys want to see me put on the Fit Me powder. You guys wanted this powder on by 65%. 65%. 65%. Y'all wanted to see me put this powder on. So I have the shade number 30, which is more of like a yellow, neutral yellow. And I have 35, which is a deep bronze color. So I'm going to actually go in with a little bit of 30 first, and then I'm going to pop on 35 just to make sure it doesn't look too ashy as usual. You already know that I'm anti-ash. But yeah, let's go ahead and pack on this powder. And I'm taking a velour puff. Alright, so while I'm baking a little bit, I'm going to go back into the Perception palette to finish off the eyes. I'm going to take my Morphe M321 brush, and I'm going to take that shade Played Out, which is that deep cranberry shade that I kind of use to cut the crease. And I'm just going to take that on the lower lash line. And I'm going to go back into this palette again, and I'm going to grab that shade Revenge, and I'm going to go ahead and kind of smoke that out. Taking that same bullet brush, I'm going to take some of that Spill the Tea shade, and I'm going to pop that on the inner corner as a inner corner highlight. Ooh. Oh. Come on, spill the tea. Taking my Laura Mercier Candle Glow Powder number 6. Shout out to He Flawless for putting me on. I'm going to use that to dust off the bake. And I'm going to go in with my trusty, dusty, handy, dandy contour from Niko K. You know, that $1.99 contour, that is Tay. And I'm going to go ahead and contour the skin. Ooh, my makeup is tea today. Girl, yes, I'm bougie. I'm bougie on a budget. This $1.99 contour kit, baby. Alright guys, so we're down to almost the last product, of course. It is highlighting. You guys, I put Fenty Beauty versus the NARS. This is the NARS Blanc de Sable highlighter. It has 3 built into it. I don't know if I ever featured this on my channel before, but if I have, sorry. But I have the Fenty Beauty, one from the Beach Please collection and one from the regular collection. And 71% of you guys wanted me to do a Fenty highlighting part on this video, and I am going to do her. And based off of this eyeshadow, I am actually going to go in with the Beach Please collection. I'm going to take the Mimosa Sunrise, and I'm going to sunrise these cheeks, honey, because there ain't no sunset on this side of YouTube. I love how the fact that this can be very natural and very soft and subtle if you go very light-handed, but it can get real crazy real quickly if you do OD on this highlighter. I'm also going to take the Sangria Sun Set, and I'm going to use that as a blush. Very lightly. Very, very lightly. Then I'm going to switch over to the Me Money Hustle Baby side, and I'm going to take the Hustle Baby. Hustle Baby. And I'm just going to amp it up just a little bit in certain areas. Alright guys, so one of my good friends on Instagram, her @name is Amande_Caramel. Check her out. She gave me the color for my lips today, and we're going to be doing a orange glossy lip. You know I love me some orange. So I'm going to take the Maybelline, this is the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Fighter. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and hop off camera, add on some lashes and some mascara, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this pretty much is the completed look. Shout out to you guys on my Instagram for giving me some bomb products to put on. This look is sickening, it's to die for. I hope you guys recreate this look. If you do, please use the hashtag XOSquad on Instagram and Twitter so that I can be able to see you guys work and possibly repost them on my social media, because I would love to do that for you guys, because that's where I started and that's where I want you guys to get your claim to fame as well too. So please go follow me on Instagram, and if you do recreate any of my looks, use the hashtag X0Niko. Other than that, I'm going to end this video here. I hope you guys enjoy this Instagram subscribers pick my makeup challenge. I was, excited to do this when I had enough people to do so on my new Instagram, because it's completely new. I'm under 300 subscribers on my Instagram, but I have 2,000 here. So how about you guys head over there and help me get over 1K, maybe? Help me. But other than that, I'm going to end this video here. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day wherever you guys are, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace, guys.